Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the celebrations of the 10th International Yoga Day at Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre on the banks of the Dal Lake. He emphasized on yoga's global health and the societal harmony that it can bring about. He also went on to say that this year's celebrations are highlighting the theme that is yoga for self and society. There were 7,000 participants over the last 3 days. They received training in yogasana before performing with Prime Minister today.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पर मुझे योग और साधना की भूमि कश्मीर में आने का सौभाग्य मिला है। कश्मीर और श्रीनगर का ये वातावरण, ये ऊर्जा और अनुभूति, योग से हमें जो शक्ति मिलती है, श्रीनगर में हम उसे महसूस कर रहे हैं। मैं देश के सभी लोगों को, दुनिया के कोने कोने में योग कर रहे लोगों को कश्मीर की धरती से योग दिवस की बधाई देता हूं।
कश्मीर के लिए तो योग एक बहुत बड़ा रोजगार का जरिया बन सकता है, टूरिज्म के लिए बड़ा आकर्षण का केंद्र बन सकता है। तो मुझे आज बहुत अच्छा लगा। ठंड बढ़ी, मौसम ने भी थोड़ा चुनौतियां पैदा की, फिर भी आप डटे रहो। मैं देख रहा था कि हमारी कई बेटियां ये दरी को ही अपने जो योगा मैट था उसी को बारिश से बचाने के लिए उपयोग कर रही थी, लेकिन गई नहीं, डटी रही। ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा सुकून है।
Now, Yoga Day celebrations took place across cities in the country. Now, in fact, people came out in public parks, in community centers, and even at iconic landmarks. They came out there and they performed yoga asanas. Union ministers and lawmakers also attended various Yoga Day events that were being held across the country. Top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party has gone ahead and instructed its cadre to hold yoga events at different mandals. Let's also listen into some reactions coming in from the BJP.
योग एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण अंग है। ये भारत की प्राचीनता, भारत की विशेषता को रेखांकित करती है और योग को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जगत पर एक नया उल्लेखनीय स्थान देना, ये प्रधानमंत्री जी का संकल्प रहा है पिछले 10 सालों में। और हर वर्ष आज योग दिवस देश में नहीं लेकिन अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जगत में मनाया जाता है। पिछले वर्ष संयुक्त राष्ट्र में 136 देश के प्रतिनिधियों ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ योग दिवस मनाया था।
आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस पर सभी भाई और बहनों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और आग्रह केवल इतना कि केवल योग दिवस के दिन योग ना करें, योग को अपने जीवन का अभिन्न अंग बनाएं, रोज योग करें, क्योंकि योग करेंगे तो स्वस्थ और प्रसन्न रहेंगे। मनुष्य अनंत शक्तियों का भंडार है, उन शक्तियों को जागृत करने का माध्यम भी है योग, ताकि हम इस जीवन में अपनी संपूर्ण क्षमता से अपने देश के लिए, समाज के लिए और परिवार के लिए भी काम कर सकें।
You know, it's been a great bonding point that from different cultures, because it's actually become universal. And I find often when you go to meetings, you encounter people from other countries. Just like the Prime Minister said, it's often a talking point, a conversation issue. It's something which people share, and there's a certain joy of sharing that. So it's really a day which many of us look forward to, and I'm very, very happy that I could be here today with so many members of the diplomatic corps for the occasion.
Now, over the last few years, the International Yoga Day has become a global phenomenon. It is celebrated in numerous countries across the world. Today, there were countries where, like UK, Italy, France, Japan, and many others who participated in various events of Yoga Day to mark Yoga Day. Now, the widespread participation also goes ahead and reflects the recognition of India's cultural influence and soft power on the global scale.
Doing yoga for over 30 years, it makes me feel empowered, it makes me feel peaceful.
We feel calm and zen after doing it.
Nice to be able to slow down during my week, have a good stretch, a nice, thoughtful workout. It's lovely.
And sometimes all you need to do is big inhale, huge exhale, just to give a reminder that you got it. Even in New York City where everything's hustling and bustling.
Fantastic. I've been doing yoga since 1980 because I have scoliosis, so I started doing it as a child. So it's a regular practice for me.
Body felt loose. My breathing felt connected to my body, and I feel lighter.
But back home, there are some who are continuing to politicize and frown upon the celebrations. There are political parties in Jammu and Kashmir like the PDP, the NC and the Congress who've made remarks that are in fact disparaging of the Yoga Day celebrations. Let's listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री जी की किस्मत साफ नहीं दे रही। दुनिया के जन्नत में डल लेक के किनारे बैठकर 20 कैमरे लगवाकर वो अपनी तस्वीर रखना चाहते दुनिया के सामने, तो बंद कमरे में बंद हो गए। बोले जाओ वहां से, पर अब इस सांस ठीक नहीं चल रहा है। मैं सिर्फ कहना चाहता हूं, योगा का प्रचार प्रसार होना चाहिए। योगा बहुत ही जरूरी है, हिंदुस्तान की पुरानी पद्धति है, इसका लाभ भी है, पर जिस तरह राजनीतिक लाभ उठाते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी, बंद करिए अभी।
The Prime Minister and the entire BJP keep talking about one nation and one nation, one election formula that they have been consistently propagating from last several years now. However, they don't see as to how many times do they cause a lot of trouble to the same administration when they do those events here, and to the local people as well. So, in my opinion, there are misplaced priorities. It should have been that we should right now cater to the employment needs of the country. The price rise, which is at ratcheted up.
Now, another significant message of the Prime Minister's visit to Srinagar was when the Prime Minister also went ahead and said that assembly polls will take place in Jammu and Kashmir as soon as preparations are preparations are underway for it in full swing. He also went ahead and said that a day will come when Jammu and Kashmir will get its full statehood back.
असेंबली इलेक्शन की तैयारी भी शुरू हो चुकी है। वो समय दूर नहीं जब आप अपने वोट से जम्मू कश्मीर की नई गवर्नमेंट चुनेंगे। वो दिन भी जल्द आएगा जब जम्मू और कश्मीर फिर से राज्य के रूप में अपना फ्यूचर और बेहतर बनाएगा।
But that message of Prime Minister Narendra Modi when it comes to the polls in Jammu and Kashmir didn't in fact go very well with the opposition. There are leaders of the opposition who are criticizing the BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi for talking about assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Let's listen in.
समस्त दुनिया के योग करने वाले देशों और भारतीयों को 10वें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। प्रधानमंत्री जी के कश्मीर के कार्यक्रम में बारिश से बाधित हो जाना इस बात की गवाही है। कहीं ना कहीं कुदरत भी नाराज है केंद्र सरकार की कश्मीर को लेकर गलत नीतियों के चलते, और जिससे आज एक बार फिर कश्मीर का कार्यक्रम बाधित हुआ है।
Pradeep Datta is joining us live. Pradeep, you saw the way the people of Jammu and Kashmir and of Srinagar especially, they embraced the Yoga Day celebrations. What, according to you, has been the biggest takeaway of this event?
Really unfortunate that once again the political party leaders, they are looking for one reason or the other to criticize Prime Minister. I think Prime Minister is simply trying to inculcate the habit of yoga among people of different caste, color, religion, faith, and different regions also. By coming out to Kashmir Valley, he was sending a very loud and clear message that all is well in Kashmir Valley. He was trying to simply demolish that fake narrative that Pak proxies and Pakistan is trying to set in, that all is not well in Jammu and Kashmir. And because Pakistan is rattled ever since we have seen that large number of people came out to vote during the Lok Sabha election. But unfortunately, they are saying that this was a photo op. Photo op he would have done anywhere, but Kashmir is very close to Prime Minister's heart. In the past also, we have seen that many a time Prime Minister came over to this place, whether election or no election. He has been the one who came over to this place to celebrate Diwali when the floods took place and people were suffering. Not only that, on time to time we have seen that Prime Minister coming out to line of control, celebrate Diwali with Jawans there on the border. And this time he chose the Kashmir Valley because he wanted to celebrate yoga, International Yoga Day on the banks of Dal Lake, because he wanted to attract more and more tourists, because more and more tourists coming over to this place means giving boom to the economy of the region and restoring smile on the faces of the people of Kashmir Valley who have suffered a loss for the last several years because of Pak-sponsored terrorism. They should not forget one thing, because nobody is forcing people to come over for these yoga functions. They should not have forgotten that in 2014, when for the first time Prime Minister talked about yoga, the 177 countries were the one who gave a nod to this thing. And that's one of the reasons that for the last several years we have seen that different countries, including the Arab world, the Muslim world, is also celebrating yoga. But unfortunately, some people are trying to politicize the whole event. It has nothing to do with the photo op. He wants more and more people to participate. Basically, he's trying to channelize energy of the youth in right direction, because we have seen all these years how Pakistan and Pak proxies have been trying to indoctrinate, brainwash young minds, lure them to gun culture, make them fall into the trap of terrorism. But Prime Minister is trying to ensure that their energy is channelized in the right direction. We saw that despite a drizzle and heavy rainfall, the people had been sitting there. They wanted to be part of the celebration. Unfortunately, this could not happen on the banks of Dal Lake. It was happening.
So politics over Yoga Day celebrations only escalating. Thank you.